Bazala bakaMzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umgosi wethu wanamhlanje. Bazala bakaMzitho, it's about uGogo Skhotheni. So umgosi wethu wanamhlanje, bazala bakaMzitho, I got it from uLady Londi ku-Facebook. Guys, there's a lady called Lady Londi. Umgosi wakhe nje is on fire, and ngithe mangibona le ngathi, you know what, it's worth talking about. So guys, we know that uGogo Skhotheni has announced that she is no longer Gogo. Now ku-Facebook yakhe, on the social media page, Tumi Mutsweni, yes, she's no longer Gogo Skhotheni. Akasasensizwa kaDlamini Stashange, usamukele uNkosi njengomsindisi, and uthena ubuyele enkonzweni, because vele uthi before athwasa bokumuntu ozontelayo but wathasa. So she wants nothing to do Bungoma. It's a dark place. Even though I saw on another TikTok panel uthena, she has never said bad things about Bungoma, but I for one ngingamuzwa mina athi Bungoma, it's a dark place. When you are saying something, it's a dark place, that means you are saying that thing is not a right thing. No one wanna do something that is dark, guys. Even now, she made a video saying inkukhu was never, uNkulunkulu makadala inkukhu was never meant ukuthi igeze isinyama, igeze whatever abantu abayenza izangoma they use it for, but it was meant for ukudliwa. I don't think uNkulunkulu kwenza isilwane for ukudliwa, sorry. But again, yena uthi it was meant for ukudliwa, not for ukuthi igeze abantu inyama zayo. So I guess he believe yakhe and anyesimjudge. But there's a lady that is called Sis Andile, guys. Sis Andile is one of amathwasa who are tired of Gogo Skhotheni, and is one of amathwasa abakulento mission destroy Gogo Skhotheni, not destroying, sorry guys, expose Gogo Skhotheni. I don't think they're destroying Gogo Skhotheni, but they're exposing her. We know that amathwasa Gogo Skhotheni, they have been complaining about Gogo Skhotheni. Abanye bathi they gripped them entwaseni, abanye bathi she was never around, and leyo nayo uyivumile on the TikTok panel ukuthi yena bekahlala busy, but bekanika amathwasa amadala ukuthi athwasisa amathwasa amancane, of which I think it's unfair, because mawuzo entwaseni usuke uzontwaseni uzothwasiswa yiloyo gobela wakho, hayi ukuthi uzothwasiswa umuntu ongasugobela. If your ancestors wanted you ukuthi uthwasa from this thwasa, ngibe bazolinda liphume ephehlweni then uye kuyo. Why mele ngithwasise umuntu naye ozothwasa, you get me? But yena uthi she didn't say anything wrong because babangena ephehlweni bekabayenzela incwadi, so kumele bafunde leyo incwadi leyo. Yena bakangana nje isikhathi soku-explain the way mina understand yakhona. But ke guys, isigaca nje esikhulu sanamhlanje ukuthi bathi uGogo Skhotheni umother of 4. Yes, mina yabo, when we first got to know about Gogo Skhotheni, bekasho athi unabantwana but akathandi abantwana bakhe bavele ku-social media because social media is so cruel, what. But ke kwathi masakathola umntwana lo uLiyana, sabona veze uLiyana. So I thought mina lo mntwana akhuluma ngayo uLiyana, no, uthi uGogo Skhotheni nabantwana bayi-4. I-first born Ntombazana, i-second born umfana, i-third born uLiyana, i-fourth born ulo ongasekho ke emhlabeni, guys. And bathi uGogo Skhotheni umntwana lo umfana makazovakashela uGogo Skhotheni, uGogo Skhotheni bekahlala angekho endlini. She would go, I spend isikhathi noMonde noLiyana while umntwana ahlele endlini adla ama-scopas, guys. She is not financially there for umntwana, and she's not physically there for the boy child. The boy child but uhlala kibo, and the girl child but guys ufana ukuthi ineni yakaLiyana. And if guys, if this girl child they are talking about le mntwana intombazana hlana, I think igama lakhe uMinenhle, and if you notice ama-TikToks wakhe or wherever la aposta khona lo mntwana noLiyana, you'll see ukuthi la mntwana akafani noLiyana, engathi akakhululekanga. I'm sorry guys, mina even thought umntwana adoptile, or I've seen somewhere but umntwana we-cousin yakhe, but bengibona lo mntwana uyafana uGogo Skhotheni, just that yena complexion she's darker than uGogo Skhotheni. So uGogo Skhotheni twa guys akanaso isikhathi sokuthi ahlale nale ngane zakhe eziyi-2, uzithandele uLiyana, and she is forever spending time noLiyana. And if ubukela ama-live wakhe, whenever you swear ukuthi uGogo Skhotheni unomntwana we-1 manje ukhona emhlabeni, because we know that uMonde Shange akasekho emhlabeni, uMonde Shange Junior akasekho emhlabeni. You would swear, even that time uMonde asaphila, you would swear that labantwana bayi-2 akabekho man. I've never seen uGogo Skhotheni apost ake afihla ubuso ukuthi happy birthday to my son, what. No. And then now it makes sense ukuthi why uGogo Maweni bebathi mabacabana uGogo Maweni athi the time mina ngiyofunda wena you were busy making babies. I thought mina cause bathi i-age yakhe ngathi she's 33 and uLiyana una-4. I thought mhlawumbe uGogo Maweni feels as if umuntu mathi umntwana na 28 27 she's young, kanti no, ugirl idala waba nomntwana. Hayi uGogo Skhotheni guys, and it seems like njengoba batshintshile ziningi izinto ezizophuma nje kusazoba negaca kuzoba nefayile elingaka la Gogo Skhotheni. I guess she doesn't care because even that video yale mfana uclaim imali yakhe with evidence, she didn't respond to it. She doesn't care. Wamukela uNkosi noMsindisi ushilo ukuthi abakoledayo they should go to uSkhotheni, and she's no longer Gogo Skhotheni uTumi. So that means ikoloto zakhe zifelele kuSkhotheni yena since sakawupastor Tumi. That is all for now, bazala bami. So please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.